Today, we are going to show you how to make Vietnamese iced coffee, also known as Phê Sữa. It's a perfect drink for the hot summer weather. As with most coffee drinks, you'll need a scale, a grinder, and a kettle. You'll also need the following. The first is a Phin Filter, a traditional Vietnamese metal filter. It consists of 4 parts: a round, perforated plate that fits over a coffee mug or cup, a brewing chamber that sits on top of that plate, a perforated insert that fits inside the chamber to tamp the grounds down, and a cap to keep the heat in. The second thing you'll need is a vessel, such as a mug or a big cup for the feen to drip into. The third is ice. The fourth is sweetened condensed milk. And the fifth and final, coffee. For this video, we're using a dark, butter-roasted robusta coffee from VN Roaster. The bitterness of the robusta coffee, the sweetness of the butter, and the creaminess of the condensed milk all work perfectly together. We'll use a recipe of 15 grams of coffee to 210 milliliters of water, or a 1:14 ratio. Let's get started. First, we'll pour our desired amount of sweetened condensed milk into our vessel. I recommend starting 2 times the weight of coffee, so 30 grams, but feel free to use as much as you'd like. Second, we'll grind our coffee, and then put it into our feen. We'll shake it a bit to level it out, and then we'll put the insert into the feen and push it down to tamp the grounds. Third, we'll pour our first pour of water for a bloom. Fourth, we'll slowly pour the rest of the water into the feen, and then cover it with the lid. And now we wait. Once the coffee's done, we'll remove the feen, give the coffee and the condensed milk a good stir, and then pour it right over ice. Now, our esteemed panel of expert judges will try the coffee and tell you what they think. So, cheers.
It smells like the Starbucks mocha, you know, like the ones you get.
Oh, the ones in the
gas
bottle?
stations. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It's like it tastes a lot like that, but with less sugar.
Yes, that's good. We would drink that many times.
I like this a lot.
Can I have another one? This literally tastes like if you were about to make like cookies and you're at the point where you're creaming the butter and sugar, but someone added a splash of like coffee liqueur.
Oh, nice.
I don't know what else to say other than I shouldn't have another one, but I want another one. There's no real flavor profile I'm getting from this just because of the sheer volume of condensed milk that is in this. There's nothing bitter, there's no real sour notes or anything. There is quite literally nothing that would make this potentially unpleasurable to anybody.
It tastes like coffee ice cream.
Again, I want to reiterate that this coffee, how much was this coffee? $8.99 for a 12-ounce bag of dark, slow-roasted, amazing coffee. I know what you were all thinking. Hey, this is Robusta. It can't taste good. That's impossible. Okay, so it is $12 on Amazon, but that's with Prime shipping. So you should spend that extra $4 because it's totally worth it. When I ordered this off their Etsy page, shipping was free and it came within a week anyways. So as long as you plan ahead, sure, you can buy it at that cheaper price. But yeah, this stuff was just chef kiss. So, okay, we're done. Cut, we're done.